Hello, 10th graders. This is Miss Cox coming to you from the Hempstead Counseling Office. I want to talk to you about picking the right classes for your 11th grade year next year. When selecting classes, make sure that you're thinking about the 46 credits that are needed for a high school diploma. This screen shows the breakdown of each of those credits, so you know exactly how you're going to get to that 46. I'm going to spend the most of our time on this screen. This is just a list of the areas of classes that I want you to be thinking about next year. So we're going to start with English. You may have completed English 1-2 as a 9th grader, English 3-4 as a 10th grader, and as an 11th grader, you'll be taking a semester of literature, a semester of composition or written communications, or you may choose to take a year-long AP Lang and Comp class. And that AP Lang and Comp gives you 1 credit towards literature and 1 credit towards composition. So by the end of your 11th grade year, you have earned 2 credits towards your English requirements. In math, if you're currently taking geometry right now, the next level after geometry would be Algebra 2. Or you may decide to take math models. A lot of questions come up in the area of math of what kind of math class should I take and which ones do college needs and which ones is best for me. The first thing I want to tell you is talk to your teacher. They will absolutely help guide you to pick the right math class. The same goes for English. If you're not sure what level of composition or literature to take, please talk to your current English teacher. If you're online only, talk to your online teacher. They will help guide you. So going back to math, if you decide you want to go to a 4-year college right after high school, then you must complete Algebra 2 before going on to that 4-year college. If you know you want to go to a 4-year college, but you didn't do very well in Algebra 1, you may consider taking math models as a junior to help prepare you to take Algebra 2 as a senior. Again, talk to your teacher. If you don't see a math class on this list, then check the selection and course requirement sheets. Also, look at our course guidebook. And again, talk to your teacher. Wellness class. If you live in the state of Iowa, which you do, you need to take a wellness class next year as an 11th grader. Even if you've doubled up on wellness freshman and sophomore year, you need to have 1 wellness class for every single year you're enrolled here at Hempstead, with the exception of an athletic exemption. If you've taken 2 sports, then you can fill out an athletic exemption form. Those are located behind our door in our office, and they're also located online on our website. With science, you'll be taking Next Generation Global Science. If you've already taken this, look in the course guidebook for some options and talk to your global science teacher currently. 11th graders take U.S. history. There's also an AP version. And world cultures. So this is another question we get quite a bit at the end of 10th grade year. Do I need more world language? The short answer is probably not if you need 2 credits for graduation requirements. However, the long answer is, are you thinking about going to college after high school? Because if you are, then you need to have 2 consecutive years of the same world language with a C- or better the last semester you took it in order to meet many colleges' requirements for admission. Some colleges want to see more than 2 years though. So if you enjoy world language, keep going on. Keep those doors open when applying to college after high school, especially if you're thinking about going to University of Iowa. If you can get 4 years of world language requirements in as a high school student, then you may have met their graduation requirements. So talk to your teacher. Think about what college you want to go to. And if you don't know what college you want to go to and you like world language, stick with it. As a junior, you're going to want to take a financial literacy class if you have not done that already. If you've taken Intro to Business, then you've met that requirement. Still a good class to take though. Fine arts classes, applied learning classes, you can refer back to the graduation requirements screen. Think about what classes you've taken. Look at that selection list to make sure that you are getting your 2 fine arts requirements in and 1 applied learning in. If you're not sure what these classes are, go right to the course guidebook following that link. Also, this link will take you right to our website, especially going into your junior year. There's going to be lots of information about college career planning, academic supports. The Tuesday tips are on here. So this will be a very good resource for you as you go into your junior year. And lastly, if you need any help picking classes, reach out to us. We can help pick classes. There's a link on this screen that will take you right to our You Can Book Me site. So that way you can book an appointment in person through Zoom, text messaging, phone calls, emails. We want to hear from you and answer questions. Good luck selecting classes for your 11th grade year. Reach out if you need any help.